teacher Rita.
What's your name?
My name is Mike. What's your name?
My name is Teacher Rita. How are you?
I'm good. I'm happy. How are you?
I'm great. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, that's great. How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 2 years old. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, that's great. So now let's move on to our test today. Good job. Now what letter is this?
Letter G sao G.
Okay, that's great. This one.
Letter K sao K.
Okay, this one.
Letter J sao J.
This.
Letter D sao D.
This one.
Letter B sao B.
Good job.
Letter A sao A.
My boy.
Letter E sao E.
Good job.
Letter I sao E.
That's great.
Letter G sao G.
Okay, good job. Now give me one word with letter J sound.
It's a jam.
Okay, it's a jump. That's good. And one word with letter F
It's
sound.
a frog.
Good job. Okay, that's great. Now, what's this?
It's a banana.
Letter.
Letter B sao B.
It's
A flower.
letter.
Letter F sao F. It's a alligator.
It's an alligator. Letter.
Letter A sao A.
This one.
It's a elephant.
Letter.
Letter E sao E. It's a cat.
Letter.
Letter C sao K.
This one.
Letter
It's
a dose.
letter.
Letter D sao D.
Okay, that's great. Now, say this read for teacher today.
I brush my
I brush.
teeth. A rose has full legs.
That's great.
We see cow and dog.
Good job.
His hat is blue.
Good
An
job.
elephant is in the zoo.
Okay, that's great. Now what's this?
It's a
Jack.
jacket.
Letter.
Letter J sao J. It's a
G.
guitar.
Letter.
Letter G sao J.
It's
It's a mouse.
Good job.
Letter S sao H. It's
Okay.
a key. Letter K sao K.
Okay.
It's a ice
It's
cream.
an ice cream. Good job.
Letter I sao E.
Good job.
It's a lion. Letter L sao R.
That's good. Okay, now let's read the story. Ready?
I have a cat.
No, mine.
My cat.
Good job.
I have a cat.
Good job.
My cat is orange.
Good job.
Her name is Mimi.
Good job.
Mimi is fat. She has a long
Tail.
tail. Her ears
Eyes.
Eyes
Eyes.
are brown.
Good
She
job.
like milk and cookies.
Good.
I love to play with my cats.
Good job. Okay, give teacher a high five. That's my boy. Goodbye, Mike.
Goodbye, teacher Rita.